The fundamentals of fish breeding. Fish breeding is the controlled reproduction of fish in captivity for various purposes, such as aquaculture, aquarium keeping, or conservation efforts. Successful fish breeding requires an understanding of the biology and behavior of the specific fish species you want to breed. Here are the fundamentals of fish breeding. 1. Selecting the right species. Choose a fish species that is suitable for breeding in captivity. Consider factors like water quality, tank size, temperature, and the availability of suitable food. 2. Setting up the breeding tank. Create a suitable environment for breeding in a well-maintained aquarium or pond. Ensure the water parameters, pH, temperature, hardness, are within the optimal range for your chosen species. 3. Sexing the fish. Learn to distinguish between male and female fish of your chosen species. In some species, the differences are obvious, while in others, they may be subtle, such as differences in coloration, fin shape, or size. 4. Conditioning the fish. Before breeding, it's essential to condition the fish. This involves providing them with a high-quality diet and optimal living conditions to prepare their bodies for reproduction. 5. Creating a breeding trigger. Many fish species require specific environmental conditions or triggers to initiate breeding behavior. This may include changes in water temperature, photoperiod, lighting duration, or water quality. 6. Providing suitable spawning sites. Different fish species have different preferences for spawning sites. Some may lay eggs on plants, rocks, or the substrate, while others use a nest or create bubble nests, as in the case of bettas. 7. Monitoring behavior. Watch for changes in behavior, such as courtship displays, territoriality, or aggression, which indicate that the fish are ready to breed. 8. Egg collection. After successful spawning, you may need to collect the eggs and move them to a separate container to protect them from being eaten by the adult fish. 9. Hatching and rearing fry. Once the eggs hatch, the fry, young fish, will require special care. They are usually very small and vulnerable, so providing appropriate food and maintaining water quality is crucial. 10. Grow out. As the fry grow, you will need to gradually transition them to larger tanks or ponds as they outgrow their initial rearing containers. Provide them with a suitable diet and continue to monitor water conditions. 11. Sexual differentiation. Some fish species require time for sexual differentiation to occur. It may be challenging to determine the sex of juvenile fish, so you may need to wait until they mature. 12. Culling. In some cases, you may need to cull, remove weaker or undesirable fish to ensure the health and quality of the breeding population. 13. Record keeping. Maintain detailed records of breeding attempts, dates, water parameters, and any other relevant information. This will help you refine your breeding techniques over time. 14. Patience and persistence. Successful fish breeding can be a challenging and time-consuming endeavor. It may take multiple attempts to achieve success, so patience and persistence are key. 15. Research and education. Continuously educate yourself about the specific requirements of the fish species you want to breed. Joining fish breeding forums or clubs can also provide valuable insights and support from experienced breeders. Remember that fish breeding can be both rewarding and challenging, and it's essential to prioritize the welfare of the fish throughout the process. Always be prepared to adapt your approach based on the needs of the specific species you are working with.